As the crisp air of fall approaches, keeping your skin hydrated becomes a battle, one that many lose without the right strategy. But here's where it gets intriguing. A clever technique called skincare sandwiching is making waves, promising to lock in moisture and maximize the power of your products. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about slathering on creams. It's about layering strategically to create a moisture fortress for your skin. While TikTok trends often deserve a healthy dose of skepticism, skincare sandwiching is one hack that's earned its spotlight. But what exactly is it? Imagine building a tiny protective sandwich for your skin. Start with lightweight products like toners, mists, or essences. These act as your base layer. Next, add a serum packed with active ingredients like retinol or vitamin C. Finally, seal it all in with a thicker moisturizer, creating a barrier that traps hydration and actives where they belong, deep in your skin. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this method safe for everyone? Dermatologist Dr. Ev Charlotte Walter warns, not all textures or ingredients play nicely with every skin type. For instance, retinoids are a no-go during pregnancy. Yet pioneers like Dr. Zaino Bagi, founder of Zoe Skin Health, have championed this technique, designing products that layer seamlessly to nourish, protect, and enhance skin health. Each step in the sandwich routine primes the skin for the next, ensuring every product performs at its peak. Ready to build your skincare sandwich? Here's how. 1. Start light. Apply a toner, mist, or essence to prep your skin. 2. Layer actives. Follow with a serum, whether it's retinol for renewal, vitamin C for brightening, or niacinamide for clarity. 3. Seal the deal. Finish with a rich moisturizer to lock in all the goodness. The benefits? Impressive. This method boosts hydration and helps actives penetrate deeper. But don't expect overnight miracles. Consistency is key. Molecule size still dictates how deep a product can go, but sandwiching can accelerate results over time. Who's it for? Everyone, theoretically. But here's the catch. Those with sensitive or acne-prone skin might face irritation if products are too heavy or potent. Dr. Walter advises caution for those with conditions like perioral dermatitis or atopic dermatitis. And remember, skincare should shift with the seasons. Richer creams for winter, lighter lotions for summer. Now, the question for you, is skincare sandwiching a game changer or just another trend? Do you think it's worth the extra steps, or is simplicity the ultimate skincare virtue? Let's debate in the comments. Your skin and ours might just thank you for it.